All right, y'all. So I'm going to leave y'all with my little 2 cents for today. Um, I just wanted to kind of say here that it's very important that, especially if you are out here um, dating, right? Like, let's say you're dating. I even say, friendships, but we're going to talk about dating for a minute. It's very important that you start dating people, like start paying attention is what I mean, to who a person is versus what they look like. Like really, really have your antennas on. And what I mean by antennas, all your senses. Like really use your discernment, really tap into your intuition and fully be in tune with that so that you can not only gain information that you need concerning whoever this is that you're dating, but learn how to look past what a person looks like versus who they are. Because when I tell you we live in some, it's not like we haven't always lived in these crazy times, and um, it's not like it's been a thing where the world has been such a peachy place. I wouldn't say that, but the times that we're living in right now in this specific era, there's a lot of evil going on. There's a lot of, people cheating on each other. The STD rates are insane. Um, like I really encourage y'all, like please, whatever you do, start to do your homework on a person. Like like if you really want to date with intention, if there are certain things, like certain characteristics that you want in a person, if you're looking for a person to have more to them than just looks, then really start paying attention. And when I tell you to start paying attention more to who a person is versus what they look like, what I really mean is start to pay attention to what their spirit is like. Like really start to pay attention, bro. Like really study someone before you lay up with them. Before you call that person your friend. All shits and fucking giggles aside, like I'm so fucking serious right now. I think oftentimes, especially or just in general, I can't even say within this area because this has been a common thing. It's not like it's something new, but people tend to pay attention more to what a person looks like, what they might have in their pockets, their accomplishments, etc., etc., etc. Great. All of that on paper. The person probably is dope as fuck on paper. Aesthetics, very pleasing. They might be your dream girl or dream guy physically. On paper, they probably check all the fucking boxes. But who are they beyond that? Like if you really take this person and you strip all of that away from them, who are they? Who is this person when no one is looking and when people are looking? Are they selfless? Do they have empathy? Do they have emotional intelligence? Can they take accountability when they're wrong about some shit? Are they promiscuous? Do they lack self-control over their flesh? Are they submissive? Are they more, if I'm talking to a male here, you're dealing with a female, who is she? If you strip away her aesthetics, if you strip away all the surface level bullshit, let's take all of that off the table. Strip it away from her. Who is she? Ladies, if I'm speaking to you, dealing with a dude, take away his great looks. Take away the fact that he has a great sausage. Take away the nice ass car he drives. Maybe the money in his bank account. Who fucking cares? Strip him bare right now. Like, even if you want to do the exercise in your mind, even if you're dealing with somebody right now, like you're dating somebody, or the next time you get ready to date someone, do this exercise if you want. Not telling y'all to do anything necessarily. I'm just giving my 2 cents here. If you strip all of that shit away from that person, what are you precisely left with? Who are they? And who are they when no one is looking? Who are they behind your back? Probably won't necessarily know who they are necessarily behind your back. There's no sure way to tell like what a person would do behind your back. But if you pay attention to who a person is at a soul level, if you spend enough time with this person and you truly study them, not with just your eyes, with how they look and the shit that's coming out of their mouth. Yeah, study the conversation, the type of conversations that they have with you, yes. But their mannerisms. Let's start there. If you really pay attention while getting to know a person, and you're able to look past their flesh and what they look like and what they possibly have and all this other bullshit, and you start to really pay attention to who this person truly is and what's being blatantly shown to you in front of your face, not just their physical, but this person is truly showing you who they are. If you really pay attention, you'll be able to find the answer. If you really study them, you'll get as much information on this individual as you need in order to make whatever form decision you need to make. But I said all of that to say, like something was in my eye. Whether it's a friendship, whether it's a romantic relationship, please learn how to pay attention to who a person is. Learn how to really study a person before you allow this person into your energy, before you allow this person into your friend circle. Like, really truly get to know this person beyond their looks, beyond what's on paper and what they look like. Who gives a shit? I'm not saying that you shouldn't be with someone that you don't find physically attractive. Sure, you're entitled to that if that's what you want. But if you want something meaningful, you damn sure better pay attention to who they are at a soul level versus what they look like. Because if not, you might be standing next to someone or sleeping in the bed next to someone and you ain't got a damn clue to who this person is.